guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification button. Should in case if I upload any of my new video, you are going to be the first person to notify. In today's video, I'm going to show you a 2 home remedy that we can use to brighten up our teeth. There's a lot of natural teeth whitening at home that we can use to brighten up our teeth, but in today I have a 2 lovely home remedy that I highly recommend. I recommend tea tree oil. It contains bleaching and whitening property, and also turmeric. We all know turmeric, so we need those 2, and we need clean bowl. So I'm going to show you step by step how we are going to be apply it. And we need 3 teaspoons of water. 1, 2, 3. We need 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Is almost full. Turmeric reduces gum inflammation, has antibacterial property, and help with whitening. Tea tree oil reduces gingival inflammation in the gum caused by not cleaning your teeth regularly. So I'm going to show you how you're going to be using them. Sorry, don't mind my camera. So you need to dip. We need just 2 drops of tea tree. You add it into the turmeric solution, the one we've already mixed. 2 drops. I think that is 3 anyway. So you leave it cool, at least you leave it for 10. Dip your brush inside. You wash the brush first, then you dip your toothbrush inside and you continue brush it, and I hope this will help you. So you remember, consistency is the key. You have to repeat yourself twice. Have patience, it will work. It will brighten up your teeth for you, and it will prevent all the bleeding, all the pain from your gum, and you will smile again. Okay guys, let me know what you guys think. Okay, if this help you, I need to see a comment. Leave the comment below. Click like, share my video. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye for